The KidiZoom Smartwatch DX2 in Pink is a stylish and kid-friendly wearable designed to be secure and splash-proof, making it perfect for children's wrists. Children can capture high-quality videos, photos, and selfies with the dual cameras, and they can customize their images with fun filters to create unique watch faces. The Monster Detector game offers an augmented reality experience, engaging kids in capturing monsters in the real world, while the motion sensor supports active play and tracks steps. Parents have control over sharing photos and videos by uploading them to a computer, and kids can enjoy additional free games, watch faces, and camera effects from Learning Lodge. Designed for children aged 4 years and older, the watch includes a battery and should only be charged using the included micro USB cable connected to a computer. Although it resembles adult smartwatches, the KidiZoom Smartwatch DX2 is specifically tailored for kids and is available in multiple colors to suit different tastes.